Hey guys, it's Emma with Poolbots. And today, we're going to be talking about the all-new Dolphin Max-Series. The new Dolphin Max-Series pool cleaners, featuring Gen 2 MaxBin Filtration that is up to 225% larger than Gen 1 Dolphin filters, HyperBrushes, and cutting-edge technology like SmartNav 2.0. Rated as some of the top robotic cleaners, these models offer no restocking fees and 30-day risk-free trials, so you can try these robots in your own pool today. Let's dive into what makes the Max series stand out. MaxBin Filtration. The Max series boasts a dramatically increased filter capacity, up to 225% larger than previous models. This means more debris collection and less frequent emptying, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your pool. The larger filter capacity translates to fewer maintenance interruptions and a more efficient cleaning process. The massive top-loading debris bin replaces the twin smaller filters, making maintenance straightforward. Simply lift the top panel, and a convenient handle pops up. Pull down the latch, and debris effortlessly slides out. This design ensures that even large debris like leaves and twigs are easily collected and disposed of, reducing the hassle of vacuuming and cleaning your pool. The MaxBin can be emptied in mere seconds with minimal effort. Unlike older models that require disassembly of 6 parts, the new design reduces the parts count to just 1. This reduction simplifies cleaning and speeds up the process by 80%. The fewer parts also mean fewer potential points of failure, enhancing the durability and reliability of the cleaner. The number of touch points during cleaning has been reduced from 6 to just 1, making the process less messy and more hygienic. A quick spray with a water hose is sufficient to remove any fine debris. This streamlined cleaning process not only saves time, but also ensures that the cleaner remains in optimal condition for longer periods, requiring less frequent deep cleanings. You can even add NanoFiltration to the MaxBin. These Gen 2 filters clean like no other. Included with the Dolphin Quantum and an optional accessory for the Dolphin Cayman and Escape, these panels unlock a deeper clean than the standard mesh filters. With the ability to filter out microscopic debris, these filters capture what the standard filter misses, allowing you to capture and remove gunk, dirt, and even algae from your pool that would otherwise go untouched. SmartNav 2.0 Advanced Navigation. Equipped with next-gen robotic scanning and navigating software, the SmartNav 2.0 allows Max series robots to navigate any pool or obstacle effortlessly. Whether your pool has steps or a ladder, these robots will clean every corner. The advanced navigation system uses algorithms to map the pool and plan the most efficient cleaning route, ensuring comprehensive coverage. The sophisticated navigation system ensures that the cleaner covers the entire pool area methodically, reducing cleaning time and increasing efficiency. By avoiding unnecessary overlaps and focusing on high debris areas, the SmartNav 2.0 maximizes the cleaning performance and minimizes energy consumption. HyperBrush Scrubbing. These new brushes spin twice the speed of previous Dolphin models. With a quicker spinning brush, Max series robots are able to dislodge tough stuck-on debris that other cleaners would miss. Formerly a feature reserved for more expensive robots, a fast-rotating brush is the most effective way to remove stubborn contaminants from the surface. Every Max series robot includes a HyperBrush to dislodge stuck-on debris as it spins 2 times faster than ordinary pool brushes. Dirt and debris don't stand a chance against these pool cleaners. HyperGrip Tracks. Compared to wheeled pressure side and suction side cleaners, and even other pool robots, every Max series robot utilizes HyperGrip Tracks. These tracks help the robot cling to the pool floors. The tracks grip tightly to your pool's floor to eliminate the slipping that wheeled robots experience. With the Max series, the debris and tough contaminants in your pool have nowhere to hide. In models such as the Cayman and Quantum, they even help them defy gravity and scale up the pool walls. Compare Max series models. Which model is the best? Here's a quick breakdown. Each robot has their unique advantages. From the Quantum's larger basket to the Escape's budget-friendly price tag, there is a Max series robot for every pool. The Dolphin Escape. The Escape is the first robot in the Max series. Perfect for above-ground and even small in-ground pools, it provides great cleaning coverage. With HyperGrip Tracks, HyperBrush, and SmartNav 2.0, the Escape sticks to your pool floor and cleans like a pro. With the MaxBin, cleaning the filter has never been easier. The robot intelligently navigates and cleans your pool, which is one of the reasons our pool experts named it the best above-ground pool cleaner of the year. The Dolphin Cayman. A fantastic value, the Dolphin Cayman is the only dolphin with wall climbing, MaxBin, and a weekly timer in this price range. With a fantastic cleaning at the walls, the Cayman goes a step beyond the Escape and scales your pool walls. Defying gravity, the Cayman climbs and scrubs the walls with its HyperBrush, ensuring your pool stays crystal clear. The Dolphin Quantum. With waterline cleaning and the larger XXL MaxBin, the Quantum offers the most features and cleaning performance out of any of the Dolphin Max-Series robots. The Quantum model features the largest filtration bin ever offered in a pool robot, the XXL MaxBin, with a capacity of 400 cubic inches. This makes it ideal for larger pools or those with heavy debris. The substantial bin capacity ensures that the cleaner can operate for extended periods without needing to be emptied, making it perfect for pools in leafy environments or those prone to heavy debris accumulation. With the included NanoFiltration, the Quantum includes the new NanoFilter panels that just snap right into the XXL MaxBin, allowing for a deeper and more customizable clean. Designed for maximum debris collection, the Quantum model ensures your pool stays clean with minimal effort on your part. The powerful motors and advanced filtration system work together to capture even the finest particles, leaving your pool crystal clear. With an anti-tangle swivel and 60-foot cord, the Quantum is the ideal Max-Series robot for larger to medium-sized in-ground swimming pools. Need help deciding which robotic pool cleaner is right for your pool? Get one-on-one support with our pool experts at poolbots.com, where you can talk on the phone, live chat, or email with me or one of our other pool experts. As always, you can read more about the Dolphin Max-Series and learn more about dozens of other robotic pool cleaners at poolbots.com. Visit our website to find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.